Hello. Today I want to show you guys how to set your default web browser in Mac OS. So this is a little bit different than older OS versions. So what you'll do, you'll go to the Apple in the upper left there and go to System Settings. Now, older versions, it will be called System Preferences. So go to System Settings on this version, and higher so far will go to Desktop and Dock, which this is all going to look different on older ones. So you go to Desktop and Dock, scroll down to Default Web Browser, where it will say if you haven't changed this before, it will be Safari as your default web browser, but here you can select. If you want Google Chrome, or it gives this list of what apps you have installed, that can be a web browser. So if you've installed Opera or any of them, and there's so many other browsers out there, it could be anything really. So well, that's a web browser that qualifies for this. Yeah, so you would find that, just pick it. Select it, it will be checked then, and that's your default web browser for web links. So there are other ways to do this, but this is the easiest and the best way to include all different types of web URL links. Let me know if you have any questions. This is different than setting the default app for other types of extensions and stuff. I will be covering that in another video, how to do that. Like PDFs, pictures, well, not just pictures, but PNG, JPEG, all these different extensions, setting the default app for each extension type. So I will be covering that, but this is just totally different. This is just how Apple does it. They put the default web browser in System Settings. I almost said System Preferences, but it's System Settings now on Venture and Higher. So thanks for watching, and like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to this channel for more of these